In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove email favorites in Outlook 365. Favorites are a simple way to keep your most used mail folders just a click away, so you don't waste time scrolling through a long folder list. Think of favorites as shortcuts. They don't move or copy your emails, and removing a folder from favorites won't delete anything. It only takes the shortcut off the top of your list. Start by opening Outlook. Once it's up, look to the left side of the window, that's your folder pane, the vertical list where you'll see your inbox, sent items, and any other folders you've created. Near the top of this pane is the favorites section. If you don't immediately see it, scroll to the top or look for a small arrow that might be collapsing the section. Expanding it will reveal any shortcuts you already have there. To add a folder to favorites, locate the folder you want in the main folder list on the left. This could be a subfolder you check every day, like a project folder or a team mailbox folder. Right click that folder to open the context menu. In the menu, click Add to Favorites. The change is instant. That folder now appears under the Favorites section at the top of your folder list. This gives you a quick, consistent place to jump into that folder without navigating through the full tree. Remember, the folder itself hasn't moved, it still lives in its original location. You've just added a handy shortcut at the top. If you ever decide a folder no longer needs to be in favorites, removing it is just as easy. Look in the favorites section at the top of the folder pane and find the folder you want to take off the list. Right click that folder to open the context menu, then click Remove from Favorites. The shortcut disappears from favorites and the folder remains safe and unchanged in its original place in your mailbox. Your emails are still there, and the folder still functions exactly as before. You've simply cleaned up your quick access area. A quick recap: open Outlook, find the folder you want in the left pane, right click it and select Add to Favorites. To remove it later, find it within Favorites, right click and choose Remove from Favorites. With just these simple actions, you can tailor Outlook 365 to match the way you work, keeping your high priority folders front and center and cutting down on clicks throughout your day. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, faster folder navigation experience in Outlook 365.